Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to create your Spotify account and dive into the world of unlimited music streaming. Whether you're a music enthusiast, podcast lover, or audiobook aficionado, Spotify offers something for everyone. Let's get started. Spotify is your gateway to explore millions of songs across all genres, from vintage classics to the latest hits. Not just music, but discover podcasts and audiobooks tailored just for you. First, grab your smartphone or tablet and head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Spotify, tap on Install, and wait for the app to download. Once installed, open the app. You'll see the welcome screen with two options: log in and sign up free. Tap on Sign Up Free to create a new account. You can sign up using your email address or connect with Facebook for a quicker setup. Fill in the required details such as your email, password, username, date of birth, and gender. Agree to the Spotify terms and privacy policy, then tap on Sign Up. Next, Spotify will guide you through personalizing your listening experience. Select your favorite music genres and artists to help Spotify recommend the perfect playlists and songs just for you. And that's it. You're all set to explore Spotify. Create your playlists, explore new music, or even download your favorite tracks for offline listening. The world of music is now at your fingertips. Enjoy your journey with Spotify. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to create a Spotify account. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Happy listening.